In this guide, I'm going to show you how to download and install Actions and Stuff 1.11 for Minecraft Bedrock. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, get loaded into Minecraft Bedrock Edition and go ahead and select Marketplace. Up in the top right, you're going to see this little search option. Go ahead and just search for Actions and Stuff. Whoops, I just typed in Actions. Let's fix that real quick. Once you search for it though, go ahead and select it. It's going to say 1.11 right here. And then you're going to have to go ahead and download it. Now you can get this if you're a part of like the marketplace pass, or you can just go ahead and purchase it. I think it's only like $2 all the way up to $8. Can't remember the exact price since I have it right here, but this is where you go ahead and download it. Once you have it downloaded, and it might say update for you if you already have it, you just got to back out of here, go ahead and hit play and either go to a world, for example, like we have this world right here. Just select the little pencil icon on it and then it'll put you on the edit world section. This works the exact same on the create world section. Just scroll down on here, find resource packs, and you need to find Actions and Stuff 1.11, equipped it, and then you can go ahead and start playing with Minecraft Actions and Stuff 1.11. But that is how you can download and install it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. It lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.